Welcome back to LK Cloud Technologies. Welcome back to LK Cloud Technologies, guys. Thanks for joining. Let me share my screen. Guys, let me share my screen. Is it visible? Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah. We are talking about today. Our topic is IAM, Identity Access Management. So, what is exactly identity access management? Identity access in the sense it's a kind of it's for security. If there is any security, so there is a permissions. If you have a permission in the sense you have access. If you don't have permission in the sense you don't have no access. You don't have any access, right? Like that. So here IAM is a one service which is provided by AWS. AWS service it is. So there we can able to create the users groups and policies and roles. Let us go through. So what is exactly IAM, Identity Access Management? IAM is the AWS Identity Access Management Service. Okay, IAM is used to securely control individual group access to AWS resources. Okay, this is the main point only. Okay, IAM is used to securely control individual group access. Okay, for example, I have access because I, as a cloud engineer, I have entire access. I do have entire organizational access. So some person joined as a newcomer. Okay, he joined as a junior. Okay, junior DevOps engineer or something like this. So anything, maybe junior or else some other new senior also, anywhere. No, it's not specific about junior or senior. The thing, someone joined in your organization, he has to use your cloud in the sense AWS. Okay, so now if he joined in your organization, in the sense your manager will tell you, or your superiors will tell you that okay, so Lokesh, actually some Sham joined in your organization, he is the person who is dealing so and so, so and so, so we have to give so and so access. In the sense, for example, EC2 access or S3 bucket access, okay, VPC something, what are the services are available in in AWS. So all the services we will not allow him. We will give him particular services. In the sense, maybe if it is EC2, if it is S3, I need to allow him into only two services, because if I allow him into all the services, if something happen by him, so what will happen? Entire projects will affect. So to avoid this kind of issue, or else some other example. So I as a cloud engineer, okay, so I have all access. Okay, so I'm according to the company policies I am following. Okay, everything I am securely maintaining. But if somebody came as a new joiner, so you have without any permission you allowed him. Okay, maybe he is new for the cloud, he is new for the services and all, he did something, he misused, or he with unknowingly he deleted something. Okay, S3 bucket, either it might be S3 bucket, or it may be something EC2 instances, or something, anything different. Okay, anything else. If you delete the service, what will happen? Already that service is running in the projects, that entire projects will affect. Okay, entire team will be working. So at the time, all the teams will affect, all the project will affect. So to avoid these kind of issues, accesses, okay, so the concept came into the picture in AWS, that is identity access management. So based on requirement, based on roles, so they will assign you the permissions. Okay, okay, IAM makes it as easy, provide multiple users secure access AWS resources. That's what I have explained now. Okay, and IAM allows you to manage users groups and other level of access to the AWS services. Okay, so IAM allows you to manage users groups, and other level of access to the AWS services. Okay, next, here what does IAM gives you? Okay, if I enable IAM, if I want to use this service, what does it will give? Okay, so let us check. Okay, so it is centralized control of your AWS account. Centralized in the sense, central in the sense it is for all. Okay, in the sense all access. Okay, shared access to your AWS account. Shared access means I am sharing some of my permissions to the users or groups, etc., like that. And granular permissions in the sense, guys, Sham and Yashwant and Karim, actually in the permissions, S3 bucket permissions, so we have seen we used to enable, read, write, all the like this kind of permissions. Those comes under granular permission, in the sense specified or selected permissions, all called are called granular permissions. Okay, and multi-factor authentication. Multi-factor authentication in the sense multiple security. Okay, multi-factor authentication. What is multi-factor authentication? You see, see, this is multi-factor authentication. If you go inside this, see, passkey and security key, password key and security key. So maybe this symbol indicates, you see this, maybe some numbers, or else you have to use thumb or digital signature. This is by using pen drives, so there will be a digital signature for the organization level. So these kind of level permissions we have to, it will provide by using passkey and security key. Okay, so authenticator app, so by using QR, authentication by using QR related, so it will allow. And another thing, hardware TOTP. Okay, what is TOTP? Can anyone guess? So I am not asking you exactly what is it, simply what exactly TOTP.
One-time password, sir.
What authentication using code generated by hardware TOTP, token type.
OTP is a one-time password, sir.
Yeah, OTP is, what is T?
Maybe time related, sir. Time related for
Time
specific time.
based one time
Yeah,
pass.
correct. Time based, maybe time 1 minute or 50 seconds. Okay, like that, TOTP. Yeah, exactly. See, so it will display some seconds or minutes like this, so based on time. So, and next, so multi-factor authentications, we, there are a lot of multiple authentications you have to cross, so then only you can enter, otherwise no. Allows you to set up your own password rotational policy. Okay, allows you to set up own password in the sense you can keep your own password. Okay, so Sham, when I created for you IAM, so you have created your own password, right? So like that.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, like that. Okay,
Hello.
yes.
Rotational password means location. It's mixing of alphabets and numerics, right?
Yeah, correct. We'll see again clearly. We have a chat
Okay.
GPT also. Let's go through this. Did I missed? Did I copy wrong? not able to copy the text. See, some tips. See this rotational policy. How? So change your password regularly. So use different passwords, different accounts. Make your passwords long and complex. So exactly abbreviation I could not able to find. Just give me 1 second. Yeah, periodically. Yes, you are right. And set your own password also. Set up your own also. Both are included. Password rotation policy. This rule is this is a rule that enforces users to change their password periodically. Okay, and set up your own. This indicates that you have flexibility to the frequency of the password changes. Both are there. Okay, next we have these types, guys. One is users, next groups, roles, policies. Okay, so it is double, that's fine. Okay, what is users? User, it means people with access to the this is related to Kubernetes, that's just simply avoid. Okay, we don't need about Kubernetes now. So that is for Kubernetes related. From there itself I copied. So what is a people? Users in the sense people. So end users who want to use. Okay, end user who want to use your service. So he comes under users. Okay. So if you want to give the permissions to actually in IAM we can create the users. Okay, who want to use the services. For example, if it is S3 bucket or if it is EC2, if they want to use the service, first of all you have to create them as you have to create the user and you have to give the access to so and so user. So that's what groups in the sense. What is groups? Set of the people under one group, means collection of users. Okay, in similar permissions. For example, DevOps people are there. DevOps comes under one group. AWS people are there. AWS comes under one group, like that. So similar people of similar kind of people comes under one group. Okay, any common thing. If it is any common thing for them, so they are comes under groups. For example, S3 bucket is there. So I have one. I just have one group. Okay. So some people are belonging to AWS, some people are belonging to DevOps. I want to give DevOps people for EC2 access and AWS people I need to give full access. So I will make separate two different groups. So then I'll give entire permissions to the AWS team and I will restrict other permissions to the other services to the DevOps people. So for that I need to create groups. Okay, roles in the sense set of permissions that define what a user or group can do. So what roles will do? Set of the permissions that we have to define. So they have to do, like for example policies, EC2 policies. So if I use EC2, so EC2 I am going to attach to the one user. So that EC2 instances, there are a lot of options are there, like you might have aware of about actions. In that, you stop instance, start instance, at that, and terminate instance. If I want to disclose, if I want to close, if I want to hide those options, so I have to write the policies. So I have to write the policies. That policy I have to attach to the EC2 instance. So these kind of things comes under this. Okay. That's it, guys, and we'll talk about, will nothing this. Okay. We'll create one user. Let's jump into practical. Sign into the console. IAM service. Okay. See this, you can see here multi-factor authentications, access keys. Okay. So first of all, initially we'll go for user groups, sorry, users. So we have to create user. So already Sham, your name is there, see. So I'll create.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'll also change this, already it is there, right? I can use this. Okay, what are the permissions I have given you? See,
Hello, Lokesh.
EC2.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah. Pawan, please go ahead.
Lokesh, in IAM, you can create users and we can delete it. Is there a creation and deletion policy? Is there in IAM?
Yes, we can delete the users.
Okay, in groups also as like
Yes, we can delete users.
okay.
Yeah. So can I? So okay, I can use this, guys. I can use this for this. So EC2 instance is there. I'll give sham for EC2. Let's remove this. Okay, and this is one user, and I'll create another user. Another user name called yeah, Yashwant name. I'll use Yashwant name. Yes. Okay, I want to create IAM user. See this auto generated by password, guys. Okay, so if you enable this, you can whenever, if you want to change the password, you can able to change later. Okay, if you give password, so then you have to use the same password itself. That's it. Next. So here you can see if you want to, if you have already groups, you can attach to the group. If you don't have a groups, okay, if you have already set up permissions, already existed permissions, you can able to give this. And also attach policies directly, already policies is there. If you want to attach those policies, you can attach those policies, right? And let's see what is this option. Okay, optional, this is, that's fine. Existing user, this sham related whatever the policies, see this, guys, if I copy this permissions, in the sense, whatever the permissions which I have given to the sham, that will be applicable to this same user. That's what it means. Okay, and attach policies directly means I can directly give the permissions. I want to give to this particular permissions like S3 permissions to the S. So then I can choose here from here itself. Okay, so already group is there, we can attach those group to particular user. So if you want to, already existed users are there, so from there itself if you want to copy, you can copy all the permissions to save the time. So like that you can do. So attach policies directly in the sense whatever I want to give S2 S3. Okay, S3 full access. Okay, that's it. Next, create user. Okay, download CSV file, common separated value. Let me go back. Users, Sham, I think you don't have IAM permission, right? You can't use. Okay, add permission. See, let's see the users. Yeah, Sham, I think you have you have access keys, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just whenever I need it, just I'll ask. Just keep with you. Okay, I will try to log in by using.
No, sir, I don't have access key, I think. Only I have that.
ID password you have, right?
Yeah, sir.
Okay, that's enough. That's enough so far. Okay, enough. Okay, so yes, let's see what are the permissions we have. So yes, have only S3 full access, no
S3
EC2,
full access.
no EC2 access. Okay, yes, what Sham, what permissions does Sham have? Only EC2
EC2.
access. Both are separate. Both are separate. Okay. So now what I have to do is I'll write. This is, so this is Yashwant, this is Sham. Sham has EC2 access and Yashwant have S3. Okay, so then so we'll create one group, that is one is EC2, another one is S3. Okay, so I want to add Yashwant into this EC2 and I want to add Sham into this S3 group. So let me try again. Okay, yeah, user groups, create group, EC2 group. I have to attach EC2 for
Yes.
yes. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so that's it. Create group. Yes, next another group. I have to create another group for S3, that is for Sham, and I'm going to create the group. Let's see what are the groups, how many groups, EC2 and S3. Let me check is there users or not in this. Yeah, it is belonging to, S is belonging to what, EC2.
EC2.
Okay, and S3 group, who how many users, one user, that is Sham. Okay, so we have also attached users into the groups. Okay, so like this. So if I want to attach S3, to separate another permission. Okay, another permissions. If I want to give user level permissions, let me check once again. So I want to give 1 minute. S3 for what? Whom? S3 for Yashwant. Yes. Okay. Go into this, add permissions. So I want to give extra. That is,
EC2, sir.
yeah, I'm giving extra service like Glacier. Okay. Next. So I have given this permission in user level. Okay. This is not for group. Okay. So what I can say is, so Sham is a user. He is having Glacier separate access. Okay, Sham is user. Okay, so S3 group I have created. The group S3 group I have attached to the Sham, and Sham also another permission, another policy, another policies. What is that policy? Glacier policy.
EC2.
No.
EC2 and Glacier. Sir, you attach to
One
H1,
second.
sir.
See, 1 second.
Glacier service.
See, did I do any mistake?
Sir, you attached a for Yashwant
Okay.
group, sir. For Yashwant user, you attached a Glacier.
Let me check again. Sham, what are the policies? EC2 and IAM policies. Okay. And Yashwant, how many? Glacier is there,
and
S3 is there. Okay. But what is the group it is? So total how many groups? Total groups.
I am in EC2 group, sir.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Okay. S3 is Sham, right? So I have to add here then. I will attach S3 to Sham. Okay. Add permissions. I will give another extra role for him. Give me 1 second. Glacier. Okay, add permissions. Okay, so now I attach it to whom? Sham.
Sham,
Right?
sir. Sham have EC2 and
Yeah.
Glacier access.
Yes. Yashwant, I will remove this one.
Glacier.
Yep. Remove. Simply remove. That's it. Okay. So now what I would like to say is, so for Sham, what are the policies I have attached?
EC2 and Glacier service.
Yeah, EC2
And
and
IAM.
Glacier. Okay. So Glacier is not related to EC2. Again, I did mistake. See, where is S3? Users, groups. Yeah. This is S3. S3 for whom? Sham. Sham has.
Sam has EC2, sir.
Yeah, then it is fine. So this, okay, no problem. So S3 Sham, right?
No, sir. EC2 Sham, sir.
So actually I have done here and there, here and that, completely cross. See this EC2, but the thing is that actually the name I have to change. Sham actually
No, sir.
EC2.
You created.
See back end you see groups. See the name S3, right?
Yes, sir.
For S3, but EC2 I have given. That's what. Okay, edit. I'll change. That's fine. Okay. So Sham belonging to EC2. This I will change. S3. Now is it fine? See, Yashwant. Now Yashwant I have to give to Glacier again. See, Amazon S3, and now I have to give him add permission. Glacier full access. So any observations, guys? So for EC2 I have created one group that attached to the user. Okay, so for S3 I have created group and attached to the user, and also for S3 one user I have attached separate Glacier. Okay, if I go users,
Individual.
yeah, individual, right? So individual, if I go, see, Glacier extra is there. For user level I have given this policy extra. If I delete this group, okay, if I delete S3 group, what will happen? Sham do have this policy separately. Okay, he will be completely out from the group, but he will have this this access, Glacier access. You understood? Right? I'll try
No,
to.
sir, I didn't understand.
1 minute. What I'm trying to say is, let's see. See.
Sir, in this diagram you said
1 minute.
sham.
I'll change it again. No, according to our groups, let me draw it again. Okay, Yashwant and Sham. Yashwant, what are the permissions we have?
Sir, Glacier and S3.
See, this is for Ish. Okay, see, Glacier S3 level per group I have created for S3. Okay, for okay, for this is for I have given access for group I have created S3, and also permissions, what user level permission, what permission I have given for him is
Glacier and S3.
Glacier and S3. Okay, these I have given, okay, extra user level. And for Sham use EC2 group created. Okay, in that EC2 group I have kept him. Okay, so he is having EC2 permission as well. EC2 permission. Okay, this is what, for example, in this case, if I delete S3 group, okay, if I delete S3 group, what Yashwant do have? He do have Glacier and S3 permission
Glacier
separately.
and S3.
Okay,
Yes,
if
sir.
I delete group, he do have extra these permissions, in the sense user level policies. Okay, these
Yes, sir.
access these access he can have. He do have these two access, S3 access and Glacier access. This is
Glacier
what.
access. Yes,
That's
sir.
it. Okay. Okay. Let me try to log in with Yashwant credentials. Okay. I have downloaded. Okay, see this. So if you create user, so if you download, you will get like this, guys. Okay, so this is ID. By using ID you can able to enter, and enter this link also you can use. Okay, see, I will try to log in with this, with the different. See this? This is the account ID, right? See this?
Yes, sir.
5463. 5463. By using link, I directly came into this place. Okay. So, what is the password? This is the password. What is the name?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. See, I have checked that mark, right? You can able to create your own password. So this is the, so if you try to log in like this, so you will get this window. So you can able to create your own password. So by using this, okay. So I could created password. I can try to log in. See this, guys. You can enter. Earlier we have logged in with this URL, right? I'll try to use, one second, I'll try to use this ID, name, password, okay, login. Your authentication information is incorrect, please try again. Maybe password wrong, I think so.
Password
Your
password
voice is,
didn't change anything, sir.
is it? Okay.
Use the same password.
Same
sir.
password. Okay, let me check one second. Same password using. See why it is not changed, man.
Sir, old password you should paste, sir.
Actually, yeah, thank you. Six. Let's see now. Yeah. See now currently I am in Yashwant. See this, guys. See what I have what are the policies I attached to this? What are the service I have allowed to Yashwant?
Glacier and S3.
Okay.
Glacier and S3. sir.
Okay. Let me try to log in with EC2. Okay. I'll try to log in with EC2 service. EC2. See, I'll try to launch EC2 instance. Let's see. Everything you can see. See, you are not authorized to perform any operation. We can't move, no need to move forward. Okay, so even you could not able to create your key pair, so which means you can't enter, so you can't create. You got it? So see, this is the way. And I think Yashwant,
Yes, sir.
Sham, can you share your screen?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, try to log in.
Yes, sir.
you did not save your passwords.
I think no, sir. I think saved, but where I don't know, sir. Which place I saved?
So till yesterday you used, right, this same
Yeah, sir.
IAM.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, sir. It is. Yeah.
So but you have changed your password, right, after
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
default
sir.
credentials.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
It's taking time, sir.
Yeah, no problem. That's okay. We have to learn. No problem at all. It's okay. We have to
Yes,
learn, right? So
yes,
we'll
sir.
go slow. No problem. No hurry. No, 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 no. Let. Can I share then? Just give me 1 second. I will share it again.
Yes, sir.
So, but you have changed password, right? It doesn't work, right? Mine.
It's okay, sir. I know password, sir.
Okay, that's fine.
It's written.
No problem. I'm sharing. No problem. Already I copied.
So just send me the ID, sir. It will be fine for me.
Okay, that's fine. Just opening. ID is
1 minute.
6104.
Sir, 1 minute.
So I'm pasting here. Group. I pasted there. Check once.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Name is SHYAM. You know, no?
Yes, sir. I know.
That's fine. Yeah. What is this?
Sir, like it. I have to log in now, sir. So
Yeah, I think internet slow or what?
yeah, sir. Yes.
Okay,
Internet problem.
okay, no problem. Yeah, don't no hurry, just go slow.
Yeah, sir.
No at all.
It's taking time, sir.
No problem.
Yes.
It will come.
Yes.
Yeah. So can you try to access S3?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can any random any random characters, something XYZ like that. Yeah.
No, sir, not
Why
possible.
read loudly? Why?
To create bucket, the S3 create bucket permission is required. To
Yes.
apply the bucket owner preferred or object writer setting for object
Yes.
ownership, the
Yes.
S3 put bucket ownership controls permission is required, sir.
Correct. Actually, for Yashwant, I have denied EC2 access. For you, I have denied S3 access. That is the reason.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You can able to log in EC2. Just check once again. Can you check EC2?
EC2 is possible, sir.
Yeah, that's what we have to show, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. You can write test key or existed key. Come down. Yeah.
Lance,
Launch instance. You have to use this also. VPC. We have VPC and subnet everything.
I have deleted, sir,
You do one thing.
everything.
Everything you deleted. Oh,
Yes.
okay, fine. Fine. You do one thing. Remove. Keep VPC. Or else you can create.
VPC, sir.
No. VPC default you can keep. You can create subnet. It is asking subnet only, right?
Yes, sir.
Create a subnet here itself. So you do one thing. Can you go back to the same page? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Bit scroll up. Scroll up. You have to go down. Yeah. Just a second. Yeah, I can't see your screen. It's blur.
I don't know, sir, why.
Maybe
Due to
internet
internet.
issue of your side.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, come down little. So even if you delete also, it should take default one, right?
Yes, sir. But I
Okay.
don't know.
Select Ubuntu and
Yeah,
come
sir, I
down. Come
select
down
one.
once. Come down. Okay, bit slow. Okay. Network settings.
Yeah, sir, I will in
Yeah. No, just
network setting.
no. Existing. No. Wait. Come down. Little. Come down. Not like that.
No.
Just yeah. Here. 1 second. Select existing security group. Okay. And VPC also it will take default one, right? If you don't have any subnets.
Yes, sir, but I don't know. Let me create, sir.
I think they have deleted the default subnet also is deleted. Sir.
No, sir, no,
Default
sir,
also
no.
no default you can't delete, right?
Yeah,
Default
sir.
you can't delete.
Yeah.
That's okay. EC2 you can access, no problem. So no problem. Already you have done everything, right? All these things, no need
Yes,
now.
sir.
Okay. So I think it's time over. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So let us close this. Tomorrow we'll talk about policies, entire policies, how to attach the policies, and access management, how to do settings for passwords policy, and how to set up custom policy, custom passwords. So all those we can discuss. So any doubts regarding this?
Lokesh, can
Yes.
you please share any soft copy for this
Yeah,
regarding
yeah, Pawan. Actually, I am trying to create a soft copy for this.
Okay,
So once it get ready, I will share with you.
okay, sir.
Okay.
Tomorrow timings is same timing.
Tomorrow I will update you. Actually, Pawan, I will add you in a group. Already added in your group, right?
Which group? WhatsApp group?
Yeah.
No, Lokesh. Can you please reveal that group name?
AWS group. Yesterday, you pinged me, right? Yesterday. No,
No,
no
sir.
problem. You do one thing. I think you have my number, right?
Yeah.
So you just ping me in WhatsApp. So I'll create.
Okay.
I'll add you into that.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Sure.
Okay. Any doubts, Pawan? You can, if you have
Uh,
any doubts, also just simply ping me. I will let you know once if I get a free time. Okay.
okay. Actually, my Freeter account is blocked. Can
Oh,
I need?
yeah. You do one thing, Pawan.
Okay.
You can try to create new account.
Okay.
Okay. So then, is it possible for you, right? It is possible for you, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, because my account already three people are using. So
Okay.
that's why. If it is emergency, I will also share my account details. No problem at all. Okay. So
Okay.
try to get ready with your account. So then, if you parallelly do practice, then it is good for you also, right?
Okay.
Yeah. Fine. Thank you all. Thank you so much. Thanks for joining call. I hope everything understood. I think so. So if
Yeah,
you
yeah,
have
sure.
any doubts also, please raise your doubts. No problem. We can discuss here. Right? All right. Thank you so much. Thanks for joining. I will see you tomorrow class. Yeah. Bye bye. Take care.